Well, furnace maintenance and boiler maintenance is similar. They're a gas-fired product. It's something that is quite expensive. So I mean, you need to look after these things if you want them to look after you in the wintertime when it gets cold. We would look at, let's say, a boiler, for instance. We would go and dismantle the boiler, clean the igniter, flame sensor, burner, heat exchanger, check condensate traps, basically go through the entire piece of equipment and ensure that it's going to be trouble-free for the heating season. We're in the comfort business. I mean, if you don't have hot water, or your furnace isn't working and it's cold outside, you're not comfortable. So really, you need to maintain these pieces of equipment just for your own well-being. To retrofit a furnace, a lot of times it becomes a safety issue. I mean, if you have an old furnace in your house, it may be leaking carbon monoxide. They don't last forever. So really, it's something that it's something that should be planned for. A lot of times you have to be proactive, not reactive. If it's all of a sudden things become an emergency, that's not good for you or us. But I think maintenance is key. Well, we provide retrofit, replacement of gas appliances, service of gas appliances. Basically, full service. That's what we're all about. We would speak with the customer and see what their needs are. Is it a complete failure of the appliance, or does it require maybe just some maintenance or perhaps some new parts? Once we can assess what the issue is, and we would send a tech out to repair, or we would go out and give pricing on a new unit. A furnace emergency is something that can be a problem. I mean, all of a sudden it's cold outside, and now it's cold inside as well. We try to get somebody there as quickly as we possibly can, to at least get the furnace up and going, and get them fixed up, right?